Tired of cleaning floors in 2025? Let the Roomba i7 Plus do it for you. Self-emptying for up to 60 days. You won't touch dust for weeks. The following user messages includes the contents, setup ideas, idea functionality, data sets, processing ideas, an actual data set, and search tool franks. The 10 times the suction power compared to the Roomba 600 series, perfect for pet hair and carpets. Voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say the word. Ready for a smarter home? Check the link in the description.